Oh my god, you guys cannot hear me. I was just talking to myself here. That's great. So anyway, my analysis is still the same as in London session. I'm still bullish on gold. If I'm offside and it takes me out here, I'm just gonna check for some short scalps. Dig into some liquidity here, and hopefully it will continue its way up. That's it. Yeah, I know, Armin. Hey there, Armin. I just realized I was muted. Yeah, I was talking to myself here. As I was saying, let's go over again. The pound is just into a 4-hour imbalance range. Let me check it. Yeah, right here. We are in an imbalance. It's like catching a falling knife. I'm not gonna do anything with it. All right. Euro could happen the same scenario. I'm still bullish all the way. Gold, let me just show you guys. Gold, I still think that we have some relative equal highs, including yesterday's high right up there. So that's why I'm potentially bullish on gold. And as for dollar index, let's see what's happening. Dollar index, a little bit consolidating. It would be great if it would just, you know, maybe, I mean, in terms of helping our gold trade, I would be happy if this would just continue its way down. You know, relative equal lows on the daily, so why not? And if I go to gold, I see my potential target right up there at 1956. Let's see if we can get something out of this, right? Otherwise, I don't really see anything. I'm down a little bit more than 0.5% for the day. Actually, I'm down. Let me show you. I'm down $150, so about 0.6%. I'm down. It's quite alright, not a big deal. I'm ready to take a little bit more if I have to, but I messed it up because I was scalping upstream. And that's it. That's what happened. I messed up big time because I took the loss from pound and I wanted to scalp it back, and then I messed it up with the German index, although it could have been in profit. But that's what happened, guys. This is trading for you. And so far, as I said, if we are on side with gold, we shouldn't be having major problems here. We had a fair value gap, so I entered. And that's it. Entry was based on the 1 minute. Not saying that this is going to be a low resistance liquidity run, but again, we'll see. So I'm still waiting for a possible long entry on pound, but we have to wait. It has to be a real clean entry. This is the euro. Nothing so far. Nothing so far. Gold is going against me right now. Not looking good. So I have to be prepared to cut that trade if I have to. And you know, if the losses are getting too big, I just have to cut the whole day. Unfortunately, I don't want that. So I want nice profits for today. KRK trading. hey, servus. So this is just one of those days. Oh, sajnálom. Hát nyáron kell készülni a pótérettségre. Just some Hungarian language here, guys. You know. pótérettségi, aztán nyomni tovább. Ennyi. Pound, okay, nothing extra. So, as I said, no typical entry. Nowhere. Dollar index should continue going lower. Let me go into... This is the 15-minute dollar index. This can provide some resistance to help our gold trade. Again, if we are on side, then we should be all right. Yeah. Oh, because officially, you know, pre-New York session from 7 a.m. volume is start to come into the market. Most likely big players like hedge funds, banks, stuff like that. You know, bigger institutions are starting to put the money onto the table, and it can produce some volume. Most likely, it can produce some volume, and not just ICT but other bigger guru traders. Although let's just put the quote-unquote guru. So professionals are saying that pre-New York, that's the phrase coming from, pre-New York, which is about 1.5 hours before market open, futures market open, the volume starts to pour in slowly but steadily. The volume starts to build up, and we can use this as a kind of a possible setup, for possible setups. You know, just to get a glimpse of where the market could go. And that's it. So volume wise, it's starting at 7 a.m. New York time, that is. 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is New York time. So volume starts to kick in, and we reach the maximum volume at 9:30 New York AM time. Futures are opening at 8:30. Commodity exchange opens in 9:20, I think, or 8:20. Oh my god, I messed up. Let me just yeah, 8:30, 8:20. Yeah, so volume starts to come in a little bit before 8:50, 8:30. 8:30, that is. So yeah, volume starts to build up slowly. Although this trade is going against me again. I messed up the day with I'm down a little bit more than 0.5%, 0.6 that is. So I'm down 0.6%, and if we are upside, then gold will take us out, and then I should be eyeballing for potential targeting this potential low here. This trade doesn't look good right now. It's actually is looking terrible. Closed below this swing point, considered as a structure break. So if I am on the wrong side, then this is just gonna take me out very easy. Wow, nice. Very good. That's a very congratulations for that. That's a very good. 2% per week is a realistic goal. You know, absolutely. That's a realistic goal. You can do that. You can do that if you're, you know, if you're just behaving with optimal risk management. then you should be fine. You should be fine. So far, nothing to see here. This is the Euro chart. This is, again, this is the Euro 5-minute chart right now. And so far, as you can see, it's a barcode chart. It's nothing. Pound starting to edge higher, but no clear structure break. This is the pound, and unfortunately my gold trade is looking terrible. It's terrible. We have a bullish order block right here. This is the last line of defense. If it takes me out, then this is it. Unfortunately, I think it will take me out, which is bad. Which is bad. I really didn't want this, but yeah, it's gonna take me out, unfortunately. And that's going to bring us to around 1% loss for the day, which is a little bit of threshold for me. Actually, 1.5 or 2% is the maximum I manage or I bear to take in a day. So I have to be careful after taking this loss. So we're inside the bullish order block. It's a very small order block. I don't know if we get a reaction from this. Should have stayed in this trade on the German index, as you can see. Okay, so nothing to be seen. I'm just hovering over pound and euro, and gold is really pissing me off right now, but it is what it is. Yeah. Unfortunate, but we're gonna get taken out on gold. It's bad, guys. It's very bad. I think I should just close it right here. Ah, who cares? It's just a few dollars difference. So we're right at stop loss, and we're almost out. Not yet. Missed with one tick is gonna take it out anyways. Come on. One push. Just one push, please. There. All right. So we are out, down 1% for the day, guys. So now I have to decide what to do, because 1% is an important threshold to continue trading for the day or not in terms of managing risk. If you take 0.5% trades. If you take 1% trades, then you can higher the threshold to 2% per day. So that's a possibility. That's another loss. So we are having a very, very red day right now, guys. And so far the account is down to $25,400. See inverse, but not to worry, you know. Not to worry, guys. Pound dollar is actually looking quite all right. We have some time to close this 5-minute candle. If this would give us a very nice structure break, that would be considered to go long after taking out this liquidity right here. But I'm very disappointed in gold right now. We're definitely, we were up offside, but if gold doesn't really want to go up there, then potential targets, since we are technically in daily premium, but potential targets could be still down there. So if that's what we're looking at, then maybe we can, I'm just measuring targets here. If that's what we're looking at, that's 16, that's 8, then it should be continuing to go down, and that's it. Yeah. Very small fair value gap, guys. I think we're gonna have a short stream. Definitely a short stream. All right, that's the fair value gap that I was looking at. Right there. If we were offside, that is. So if the draw on liquidity is still down there, then, you know, anything can happen. Especially if the draw on liquidity is, for example, down there. How much is that? Yeah. I mean, that can put us in a great position. If we're considering to go down and reprice this imbalance, this is the 1 hour gold. If we want to go down and reprice this area right there, then it shouldn't be a problem for gold to reach that, right? So I'm not saying I'm gonna hold it until there, but I was just measuring distance. You shouldn't do this, by the way, at home. What I'm doing, I'm just going crazy a little bit because I used to scalp off stream as well. So we still have a imbalance here in this area. Yeah, so quite interesting, guys. Not taking partials yet. Just waiting, you know. Would be awesome to have a trade to, you know, ride the waves. Yeah. Let's see what happens. You know, for example, if this would just drop down to TP2, I would definitely log it as a full TP2 trade. But I still have to log the previous trade as well. Okay, now it tapped into this imbalance. I'm just playing here. %2 is realistic, I think, but you know, it depends on risk management, targets, you know, trading strategy. Lots of factors to be considered about with the 2% target. If gold wants to drive, here's the point where it should drive down. Yeah, yeah. I got you guys. All right. It was a scalp trade. I'm not logging this. I had to take it down because it was not actually a it was a scalp. So not logging this trade is not going to get into the logs. I'm still down 0.5% for the day. I'm not going to log it. Unfortunately, I was scalping, as you can see. This last trade on gold, this was alright. But this one I shouldn't have taken. This big loss here, $106. This was a stupid trade from me. I should be out of the mess if I wouldn't have taken the trade on German index. This was made in German index, so most likely it's gonna drive down. I just wanted to make back the previous gold trade. This is not going to be logged because I took this trade, this German index, off stream. I was trying to scalp it, so it's the previous trade. I managed to pull it back with this one. That's it. Just saying, to be transparent, you know. So we are down, actually I'm down 0.5% for the day, which is manageable. So I'm still looking for good entry points. Maybe should have just held the gold trade. I don't care. Alright, I see you guys have this risk management topic going on. Most of the time I take one trade per day. Yeah, that's good. Okay, one trade. I wish I could do that many times. Just take one trade. But I'm consider myself a little bit of a scalper and a day trader. I mean, yeah, so I should lower my trade amount because I like to scalp. I do like scalping. I'm not saying that I'm a pro scalper, but I do scalp. Off stream, I used to scalp. That's how I went through the FTMO challenge. And so far, when I try to recoup some losses, I try to scalp. So that means I have to take at least, I mean, more than one trades per session if I have to. But I don't want to be a scalper, honestly, guys, because it goes onto your nerves. For example, this trade right now, the last one, it's nice because it's $120 net trade, but that was a scalp to get back the previous gold trade. But this one, it should have been also a scalp trade, but I was I'm trading only 5 minutes, 15 and 4 hours. That's good. I mean, you should stay with that. Most likely that's my main field as well. But you know, sometimes, as you can see, not just sometimes, many times I go down to the 1 minute. So if I did should have blah blah blah. If I shouldn't have taken the German index trade, I wanted to scalp it so much, then most likely today's loss should be around break even or something. But it is what it is. We are down a little bit of a red day so far. Now there's a saying, if there's a hole, scalping is the worst for me, and I started as a scalper. It's way better to do day trade than, yes, I think you're right. My goal is definitely to lean towards by leaving scalp trades. I think scalping came for me because it was just hard to deal with losses. It was hard to deal. Actually, you know what? I'm going to put a win here as well. It was hard for me to deal with losses, so I always wanted to, you know, I just wanted to regain those losses somehow. And so I went on with scalping, but it gets on your nerves. Guys, by the way, whoever is watching, can you please drop a like on the stream and subscribe to the channel? I would appreciate it greatly. Thank you so much. Much obliged. All right. I'm just kissing the microphone right now. I don't see anything, by the way, guys. This is S&P, Nasdaq. I'm just hovering all over. Look at that here. I was trying to scalp and it went all the way up. Ah, so stupid of me by not holding it. Gold is playing some tricks, definitely. This is 1 minute gold, 5 minute gold. We are in a consolidation. Dollar index, 1 hour dollar index. We are inside that fair value gap still. On the 15-minute chart, this is a 15-minute dollar index right now. Still inside that gap. This is euro and this is pound. Nothing to be seen here. I'm afraid to go long on pound since it has so much. This is the 4-hour pound. It has so much space to jump down. I mean to tank all the way down here. But you know, whatever you guys do, I'm learning it still on the hard way. Only proper risk management can save you, and not just save you, can lead you to profits. Only risk management. And I'm making a mistake as well all the time, like every week. I cannot say honestly that I'm not breaking my own rules on every week, because maybe if someone tells you, a so-called pro trader, not like myself, but so-called pro trader, like, yeah guys, I never break my own rules, not one day. Maybe I believe that a pro trader is not breaking his or her rules on every given day. I think that in every trading we should do everything we can to make the possibilities in our favor. Trading a higher time frame is the more accurate, so there is no reasons to not do it. Yes, I agree. What can I say? Totally agree. So as I was saying, if a pro trader says that he or she doesn't break the rules, that's a lie, because even pro traders break their own rules. I'm not saying every day, but I should say that once in every week. If someone is a day trader and a pro day trader, I'm sure that he or she breaks the rules at least once. Let it be by only like taking one more trade, putting on extra risk or something, you know, one of those. And I'm doing the same thing basically. Like for example here, I would love to scalp this gold to go all the way down, but you know, I'm not doing that. It took me out here, but didn't really break these lows, so I entered on the fair value gap for a scalp, and then it went lower. But right now I'm not touching gold for now. So my rule is that if I reach the 1.5 or 2% loss in a day, I should just leave the computer for the day. And it almost happened at the beginning of this session. I'm down for the day 0.5%, technically. Down 0.5%. I'm willing to risk another 0.5 or maximum, if I see a very good setup, a maximum overall 1% more. So that would give me 1.5 risk for the day. But guys, risk management is the key. And that's what Mark Douglas also said as well. That we are not in the trading business, guys. Listen, it's very good. I think I said it already many times. We are not in the trading business. We are in the risk management business, guys. We are not in the trading business. We are not traders. We are risk managers. That's what you do. You are deciding how much risk can you take on. That is what's happening. That is what's happening, actually. So, still in pre-New York session. I'm gonna be watching the silver bullet setup too. I mean, I know there are some traders out there who are actually making a good living from the silver bullet setups by trading only 1 or 2 hours a day, and that's it. Maybe I should do that too. I'm gonna be definitely watching for the silver bullet a little bit later, which is gonna be is it from, yeah, it's New York 10 to 11. Oh, that's gonna be quite a while away. 10 to 11. Oh my god, that's gonna be, that takes some time. All right, just looking some charts, nothing serious. Yeah, from 10 Eastern Standard Time, which in Hungary is 4 p.m. or 16 hours. So 2 hours and 13 minutes from now. That's the silver bullet window start. I think, yeah. All right. Yeah, just chill. Fortunately, I made back the gold trade, which I put on right before the start of the stream. I'm still not happy. I mean, sorry, I'm grateful, but overall I'm down. But I'm still happy that I'm still happy that the account is so far so good. Still over 2%. So yesterday technically was 0 day. I mean, you couldn't do anything yesterday. I could say that we are almost break even for this week. Huh. So let's just wait. Let's just chill. And until we're chilling, let's just, I mean, don't forget to put on the likes. We are going to be having red days, also red weeks, so we have to be prepared for that. But you know, we do what we can. It was interesting. I was watching some podcasts online from some successful traders, funded traders who are managing $1 million in capital, funded accounts. And they were saying that, you know, some of them are trading like with baby steps like I do, which is good. And some of them are trading with full margin. For example, you might see the guy on Twitter, Paladin Buddha, or something like that. I think Paladin, his name is. He was the best ICT student. In a challenge account, he says he's putting on 3 or 4% risk per trade. Again, 4% risk per trade. So basically, he puts on 1 trade per day. 1 trade per day. And if that trade is good, then, you know, he did the challenge. I mean, you can do that, but you can do it only when you have like, you buy like 10 challenge accounts, 100k or 200k challenge accounts. You buy like 10. You have the credentials for all of those accounts. You put on a 4% trade, you lose it. You log into the next account, you put on another 4% trade. That's how they can do it, because they have the capital to buy lots of challenges. That's it. So the grinders, like myself, we have a harder thing to do, because we, most likely the majority of these traders, like I am, don't really have the capital to just throw the money out in the window, you know. Sanjay, hi there. Sanjay, nice to see you on the stream. I love the regulars. I love the regulars.
Speakers.
Speakers, yeah. Sound, yeah, that's it. Soundboard is working, guys. I do that too on challenges, which is not a problem, Armin. It's absolutely fine. I know a guy personally, in person, here in my country, who does the same. Last month, he bought 10 or 15 challenges, which is a little bit too much, 100k accounts. And he blew like 5 or 6 challenges in 2 or 3 days, I think. So he blew 5 or 6 challenges in 2 days or 3 days. But he got the funded account. That's it. He got the funded account. He was doing the rapid challenge on TFT. So he... Nem ismered úgyse. Nem online emberke. So he blew like, I think 5-6 accounts. He got the funded account. And he made a few, I think he made $2,000 from the funded account. And then he was just waiting for the payout, which is not suitable because he is still in a minus, but... Oh, look at that. Abdur Russell, hey man, oh my god, thank you so much for joining the stream. Huge applause. Huge applause. So he just blew like 5 or 6 accounts. He overall blew like 30 accounts or 35 in the past 3 months. He had some payouts, but you know, he's not overall profitable still. But he had the capital and the money because he has some other businesses, and he bought like 30, not 13, 30 100k challenges, and not just 100k, he bought like 200k challenges too. And one day he blew like 3 or 4 100k challenges, but he didn't care. He just went in full margin. But he got the phase 1 and phase 2, like in rapid challenge on TFT. And he got the phase 1 and phase 2 in 24 hours. And yeah, that's the way to do it if you have enough capital. And that's how the big so-called influencers, trading influencers are doing it. Hopefully they are constantly profitable. That's how they do it. I'm not saying it's the wrong thing. I'm just saying that we are putting those guys on the pedestal, you know, that, oh my god, he's managing $1 million. Oh my god. Of course. Yeah. You see how. But again, there are some traders out there who are actually managing 800, 900, 1 million or more capital, who were really grinding their way up on the accounts. Of course, I respect those people a little bit more. I'm not saying that the other ones are bad people, bad traders or something, but I do appreciate when someone grinds his or her way up with small risk size. That's a real trading activity in my eyes. Of course, I have to admit, if I would have like a huge amount of capital, which I'm not afraid to throw out the window, I would do the same. So who am I lying to? You know, if I look at the mirror, I should just tell to myself, I would do the same. guys. If I would have like $10,000 just to throw out the window, like who cares? Yeah, Armin, and you know that's not talking anything wrong. That's good. They're professional gamblers, and you know, it sounds weird or funny, but it is actually something that people make a living off by being a professional gambler, and I respect that. So I do have respect for those professional gamblers who actually make money. Sharon, what about gold? Let's see. Nothing, as you can see. I wish I could tell you something, but let's just go over a little bit on gold. Gold. This is gold. This is the 1 hour gold chart. We had a 1 hour bearish order block here in the London session. Price reacted to it. As you can see, it went lower. This right here is a 4 hour imbalance as well. So this imbalance can be seen on the 4 hour. This is a bullish order block down here. So anything can happen now. I'm bullish on gold for the day. My bias is bullish. I would really love to see this one go higher and take out that relative equal high, as you can see on the 1 hour. Let's go to the 15-minute. Here you go. This is yesterday high, and look at that. We have more. Look at that. Come on. So that is relative equal highs, like almost 3 times there, which means those levels could be potential targets. On the 4 hour, we did grab some liquidity. If I zoom out to the 4 hour, potentially, as you can see on the 15-minute, we went into this. What the hell? Into this fair value gap here. Tapped into some liquidity, could head up higher. I don't know. I was in a long position actually, but it took me out. I was in a long, where was I? I was in a long position on the 1 minute. Yeah, here. This is the 1 minute gold chart. I took a long here and it took me out. Then I scalped it back, but I was really thinking that I'm on side by going long, but so for now, what's going to happen in gold is just only God knows. That's what I would say. God knows what's going to happen with gold. We are around the midnight open price, as you can see. This line here is the New York midnight open. Anything can happen from here. Anything. We just have to wait. It's like a big pile of mess right now, gold. Can you please drop a like? Thank you. Yeah, I say that as long as you make money in trading, who cares what you did? Yeah, absolutely. You know, if you're approaching prop trading with a gambler perspective, like buying 10 prop challenges and, you know, failing 8 of them, or 9 of them, but the one is going to make you regain your losses and puts you into profit, then that's your strategy then. You know, I respect that. No problem. I do like this euro structure break, and we had an optimal trade entry. I don't know. I'm bullish on euro and pound as well. Just saying. I'm still bullish. I just don't want to take any pound long trades because right now it's a falling knife on the 4 hour, definitely. And as you can see, we do have relative equal highs on pound too. So I don't know. We have to wait for future market open. Futures open. So far we are having a red day, but it's fine. Live to fight another day, right? So for example, this is the 5-minute euro chart. If euro would make a nice structure break, I would love that. I would really love that. Let's look at the dollar index. Still indecisive. Still inside that 15-minute fair value gap. Well, almost inside. Let's go to the... This is the dollar index on the 15-minute. This. We're still hovering inside that fair value gap. Nothing to do here. This is the euro chart. Euro 5-minute chart. And this is pound again. Guys, let me tell you something. I love trading. I do love it. I love trading. I don't know how to explain this. I just love it. I love it. I love trading. I know we have red days. I know sometimes, you know, we are pissed off. I know that. But I just love trading. I think it's beautiful. Trading is beautiful. It's an art. I think in a way it's art. How it moves, how it behaves, how it reacts. I just love it. And I think if you want to be profitable in the long term, you have to love it. You have to like it at least. You have to like trading. You have to love it. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay. So as much as I would love to go long on gold, this is gold 5-minute chart. As much as I would love to do it, I have no setups. So if anyone is dropping into the stream, could you guys please drop a like again? Thank you. This was a commercial. And visit my Patreon site at pip.ninja. I would love the support. Join the membership. You know, I share much more information here on there. We can link together on Zoom, private Discord, you know, absolutely private. And don't worry, I'm not going to sit in a hot tub or something, but definitely share some ideas, coach each other, you know, help out each other with ideas. Come on, let's support each other. Okay. This is pound. This is the pound, and this is a 5-minute pound chart, what you guys are seeing right now. I'm not trying to catch it. Let's zoom out to the 4-hour chart. Look at that. Pound can drop all the way down to 2650-ish level. I'm not touching it. I'm not going long until we have a clear entry. And actually I would wait until it's going to reach the mid threshold, which is going to be somewhere here. Come on. Come on. So it's somewhere at, well, 27.18 is the mid threshold on the 4-hour. I'm going to wait until considering a real valuable long position on pound. So let's leave the pound for now, because this is the euro again. 5-minute, nothing. And the gold, nothing. We have to wait. We have to wait, guys. I want to go to the movies after. I want to see the new Flash movie. I'm not a big comic book geek or something like that. I just when I was a kid, Michael Keaton was my favorite Batman, so I want to check him out again in the bat suit, you know. In 1989, when I was a kid, actually it was 92 when I saw it in my country, in video cassette. You know, guys, video cassette. Some of you guys don't even know that, right? Videotape, video cassette. It was 1991 or 1992 when I saw it. I mean, Michael Keaton was my hero, Batman, so I want to see him again in 70 years old playing Batman. How cool is that, by the way? Michael Keaton is 70 years old and playing Batman. I mean, that's just awesome. My childhood Batman hero. Okay, so nothing, guys. This is gold. No entries. Let's check the dollar index again. This is dollar index still inside the fair value gap, this blue area. You know what? I'm gonna go and make a coffee. I forbid any one of you guys. I forbid you guys to go anywhere, all right? No one goes anywhere. All right? All right. All right, just messing around. I have to produce something, you know. It's not going to be a boring stream. Look at gold. Gold is edging higher. Don't want to miss the move. No, don't worry, it's nothing. Not a clear structure break. Okay, I'm going to be making some coffee. Do not go anywhere. All right. All right. All right, I see nobody left. All right, cool. Cool. You guys are awesome. You don't want to see me angry. Okay. So far, what do we see? Nothing. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. Should we take this? My God. My God. I'm in. I know, but that's my model. That's it. I know. Small risk. We have buy side. You know, grab liquidity. It doesn't mean it's not gonna go down. I know. Don't worry. Everybody stay calm. If it goes down, we still have a shot for today, alright? If it takes me out, we will still have a shot. Alright. Alright. So we're just waiting for now. Let's analyze this, alright? Oh, I don't even want to analyze it. It looks bad. Oh no. Oh no, it's gonna take us out. Actually, it's... Yeah, the range is not too much, but... fair value gap here. Structure break, you know, just the usual. Where is that? Yeah, there it is. Structure break. What else do you want? It's a classic model, you know, it's a classic entry. Taken with very low risk, $100, so we will still have a shot. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. No, no, no. Really? What pair? What pair did you enter, Armin? It's a weird trade for me as well. You know, there are some trades when you look at it, you see that like, okay, of course you can still lose it, but we are inside the liquidity zone, so we have pretty much liquidity. Even if it continues to drive down, should be heading to make at least 7 pips on this trade, which could bring this to a break even, I guess. So yeah, you're trading the NZD. Yeah. Okay. What's the stop here? 100. It's a little bit low, but all right. The trade is gonna be managed, hopefully, by this EA. So I am closing down 65% of the trade at TP1 if it gets there, and that's the big if, you know. It's a big if. I mean, the EA should close it down. So let's see. All we need is 7.5 pips or something. Okay, dollar index is getting weak, which can help our trade a little bit. So what can I say? We're just waiting. Hopefully the EA will do its job, because if not, I have to watch this closely. Like, I'm gonna... If I can ask for payout right now. Oh, very good, very good, very good, very good. I'm gonna be closing 0.76. If it gets there. If not, then... I mean, I have to wait for the EA first. If it gets there. It can turn around easily to the downside again, so... let's just be careful here. Euro is going up. Gold is going up, which is good. Now, if we get a nice... oh, it just happened on gold. Let's see. Something is happening. So gold on the 5-minute closed above this swing high. I like that. The problem is with the liquidity sweep. I mean, this candle is... Well... We're not out of the woods yet. KRK, this is not a close trade yet. We are definitely on risk right now. So nothing is closed. It can turn against me any moment and we can lose big time. So, I mean, not that big time, but we can lose. I need this to go to 7.5 pips first to consider it as a possible partial close. And I hope the EA will do its job and close it partially. All right, we need 2 pips, 2.5 pips actually. So if the gold is going to leave this, oh well, it's not leaving that. I was meaning to say that if it would leave this fair value gap right here, then I would love to close it. I mean, I would love to enter maybe for a second chance on gold because I'm still bullish. I'm still waiting for a partial close. Let me disable. Okay. I'm just holding this window in case of the EA is not closing down the trade. Because last time I checked the EA, when I added the EA after the trade was open, the EA didn't take partial profit. So I'm going to check on it. And actually it should be at 7.6 pips. So if it's not taking partials, then I am gonna have to close manually a partial profit on that one. We still have a fair value gap on gold. I just don't like the way that the place where it is. Right now, it's down here. If you want to enter long, after this candle closes, of course. We have to wait for candle closes. As you can see, the pound is melting away. Oh my god, not good. 5-minute pound was looking promising. It's actually a bearish order block. Not good, guys, not good. I was really hoping that it will spike up. So definitely not a good trade so far. Damn it. I just have to close it full. Oh no. We were close actually. Damn it. Come on. Why is it so hard for pound to do it? Last week, I think it was last week, it did the same to me on the FTMO account. No, it was 2 weeks before. Sorry, not last week. Didn't really want the same scenario. I mean, there was a 4-hour imbalance, and it had a hard time turning, you know. If anyone is new to the stream, can you guys please drop a like and subscribe to the channel? You know, small streamer starting out here, you know, appreciate every support. Right now we're having a red day, down a little bit over, well, around 0.5%, having this pound long entry, and it is what it is. It's gonna go back down. This is gold. Now, if gold actually wants to go, okay, you know what? Let's look for a swing. There's a swing position. So if gold taps into that fair value gap, then I think I'm gonna be in. Because that's what my bias was all day, so. Market is definitely slow. I give you that. It's definitely slow today. And tricky as well. The only thing I can hope for is that maybe futures market open will bring some volume, most likely, to the marketplace. All right, I entered manually. Entered gold manually because the spread didn't really let me to enter. So took the gold trade manually. I was off with the spread. Overall target would be somewhere. Oh, let's see. Yeah, it's this is all right here. 200. Yeah. 200. What's the distance? Okay, that is 32. Okay, let's put an alert here. Just in case, you know. This was based on the 5-minute. So pound is looking terrible. Terrible. Might have to close pound, guys. I think we have to. Yeah. Pound trade is, as much as it was looking so good, it's looking terrible right now. The pound trade. Overall risk is below 1%, but I'm considering to exit manually. Market open is in 5 minutes. And pound is definitely looking to spike lower. I don't like that. That's why I have to consider close it down. Lower the losses a little bit. Five-minute candle closing right now. Damn it. Okay. Pound gave it away. Yep. Closed it. Closed it. Alright. Right before stop loss. Alright. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Gold is still on. We are down $200. And here it is, the pound trade. Actually lost 60 something dollars. Overall today we are down $194, which is a little bit below 1%. I'm not happy. Actually the pound would have survived, I think. But I'm still in the gold trade, so let's see what gold brings us. If gold starts to, you know, shake around too much here, I have to close it manually as well, and I'm gonna call it a day because I don't want to trade more than I should. If gold do a fake breakout, it's going to come down, fail. Yeah, Hickley. I agree. I agree. Yeah. I have to watch it carefully at this point. Futures opening in 2 minutes. 2 minutes and 10 seconds. What are futures doing, by the way? Oh, look at Nasdaq. Nasdaq almost at the double top. Right there. Perfect entry for a double top, by the way. Just saying. Wow. I might consider to enter. I had some very good scalps in the past on Nasdaq. Some really nice ones, some juicy ones. Roll EU. EU is nothing. EU is basically at no man's land, as you can see. No clear entries, no clear targets. I'm overall bullish on EU, but I have no setup. No setup here on EU. So I'm not entering anything on EU. And as you can see, pound is a falling knife. Tried to go long, didn't really work out, so closed it manually. And dollar index started to get stronger. As you can see, this is the 15-minute dollar index chart. We are inside the fair value gap. If it starts to trade above, then it's definitely not going to help us. Not with the gold trade as well. Gold is edging lower into that fair value gap again. Futures opening in 35 minutes. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Let me just delete this alert. All right. Okay, gold is not looking good. Looking to close it as well. Oh my god, gold just took us out. Jesus, holy Christ. Okay, that's it. That's it, guys. Stream is going to an end. $326. That's the biggest loss for me in one day. On this account, actually. Gold took me out. As futures opened, gold took me out. No more trades for today. I reached my daily threshold. I'm down 1.5% or something like that. No more trades for me, guys. No more trades. That's it. Yeah. Look at that gap on euro. Wow. Look at that gap. Yes. So that's it for me, guys. No more trades. I'm gonna walk away. It was too much loss for one day. I actually gave back some profits from last week too, so I have to stop here. I'm not, of course, it's something that happens. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I have some stuff to do anyways. I'm not trading more on this one. Thanks for watching, and you know, stuff like this happens. Please don't forget to like the stream. I'm not looking for more trades, all right? Yeah. Dollar index made a fake out as well. So thanks again, guys. Appreciate. And please drop a like, subscribe to the stream for the channel, and check out my Patreon site as well. I'm sorry if I let down any one of you, but you know I can't trade this. Have a great day, Armin and Royce, Heck, KRK, Sharon, Sanjay, whoever was here. Thank you so much. You know, days like this can come. It's a red day for sure. So see you guys hopefully tomorrow. All right. Thanks for being here. Have a great day, everyone. Cheers.